Hello everybody, it's Craig the Natural Medic, and I am just outside of Durango, Colorado, Junction Creek Trail, starting a little bit higher up on the Colorado Trail going up to Judy's Rest. Let's take a closer look at this map behind me. The Colorado Trail is pretty cool. According to this sign here, it's 487 miles. Starting on the east side in Waterton Canyon, which is southwest of Denver near the Chetfield Reservoir, and goes to Durango, where I am standing. It's a pretty high elevation trail and typically takes 4 to 5 weeks to complete the entire thing. And it is on my list to complete, but not there yet. Hope you'll follow me to Judy's Rest, which is showing on this map here. But up there, wiggle finger for Christina. Where that face of the rock is, I'll zoom in. Right on top of that ridge is where Judy's Rest is. So gotta get there. Okay, boys and girls, made it to Judy's Rest. Here's the sign. I know it looks like Gudy's, but it's really Judy's. First time I came up here, I thought it was Gudy's, but I was corrected, and it actually is a Judy's. Look at this beautiful view, though. When I was up here before, it was very misty, cloudy, rainy, so we couldn't see all this stuff out here in the valley. But the trail that we walked up is down here. Wiggle finger, wiggle finger. Follows Junction Creek for the most part. Crossed it somewhere down this area. That is Animas City Mountain right there, which I have been on top of also. And I think I have a video of on the channel. Try to link that in the description below. If you look down, it's a long way down, but definitely the quick way down back to the trail. I'm gonna admire the view here and just take it in and enjoy. Judy's Rest. Starting to rain a little bit, so we're gonna head back down into the valley by Junction Creek. So join us there. Film this cute little chipmunk here. Obviously, probably trying to get some handouts. I'm sure they've gotten handouts here before. I'm recording. You like peed on your shoe. Great job. All right, back down the hill from Judy's Rest. This is Junction Creek. This is the bridge. And there's the water going down into town, into Durango. So there's the bridge. Cross it going up, cross it coming down. Okay, made it back to the beginning of the trail. Here is the overview again of the Colorado Trail. You can see you are here. So Durango, just down the road here, goes all the way up to Denver, all the way over there. Pretty crazy. I'm pretty sure that's where, yeah, somewhere in there is where Judy's Rest is. Hopefully you liked it, and if you did, make sure to give it that old thumbs up. And think about subscribing to the channel for further videos. See you out there on the trail. Bye-bye.